Hello and welcome back to Grade 6 Weekly Test Paper 8 with solutions. Today's topic is based on type of fractions and decimals. Today's test paper consists of 9 questions. You pause the video and answer the questions. Note the time taken. The first question is match the following and the second one is based on decimals. Here are the remaining 7 questions based on decimals and fractions. The 7th question is currency based. The 9th question is based on positive decimals and negative decimals. The rules are same as you have done in the case of whole numbers. Here are the solutions to all the questions starting from 1, and in the second question I have given a detailed explanation. Here are the answers from questions 3 to 8. Now 8 is little bit lengthy. You have to convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions and then you have to do the addition. Ninth question I have explained in 2 different ways. Whichever method is suitable to you, you can use that method. Answer to ninth question A is 0.01 and B is 2.32. There are 2 different ways shown here. You can follow whichever method you want. And if these tests are helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for my next video on decimal series.